हेलो दोस्तों, दिस इज़ ए प्रोग्राम फॉर इंटर वीलैन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फॉर राउटर एंड स्विचेज। कैसे अपन यूजिंग दो राउटर एंड स्विच करके अपने पास दो स्विच को इंटर एक्सेस कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग ट्रंक लाइन के थ्रू, क्योंकि वी हैव टू यूज ऑफ ट्रंक लाइन एट द फ्रंट ऑफ द स्विचेज एंड routing codings. You can see that how can use of it, and I am using the coding and you can see it. This is the router we have using अपने पर 2911 router is one router. This is the one router. This is the switch, two switches I have taken. This is the one switch, this is the second switch I have taken, this is the second switch, and this is the two pieces, almost two pieces and devices are being taken, two switch devices. This is one, this is two, this is one, this is two, this is one. The problem, this is the big problems, so we have to connect all that, we have to connect all that. This is the connector, this is the cables, automatics, this is the cable we have to connect. F2 port, this is the connected with the F3 port, this is the connected with the F0 F1 port, this is the connected with F2 port, or this is the connected with F3 port, or this is also using a SPT protocol that happens as automatic. So active, absolutely. Start with routers, CLI commands. Enable. First we have to use enable and CONFT configure T. So first we have to use your networks by network you have using. This is the network 192.168.1.2. This is the network 192.168.1.2 network. This is the 192.192.168.2.2. This is the 192.192.168.2.2 network. This is the 192.192.168.1.0. This is the networks. Okay. So start with route codings. So we are using G0Y0 port, you can know. So starting IP add, starting INT, interface G0Y0, interface G0Y0, IP add. There is no IP add because of we are using we are using at 1.0 and 2.0 is network is gateway is 1.254 and 2.254 is free gateway IPs. So we are using, so without access we cannot. This is the program without. This is the not a program of inter VLAN. So no IP add. So no IP add. No IP add. No SH. No SH. So INT G0Y0. INT G0Y0 dot for VLAN 10. VLAN 10. Encapsulation DOT1Q, then अपने पास which VLAN you have selected, which 10 selected. So IP add 192.168.10 1.2554 space में 255 सब मेरे पास is 55 depends on your slash notation. If you are using as a slash notation, you will select your choice as a subnet mask. No SH. Again for VLAN 20 INT G0Y0 by 0.20 encapsulation DOT1Q 20 VLAN 20 course. This is the we have using IP add 192.168.2.254 is the free IPs we have using. 255.255.255.0, then no SH we are using. So finally we have to exit. This is the complete coding for our routers, and finally router's name is R1. Router name is host R1. You can choose your name of router. First switch coding, switch 1 coding, CLI. This is the enable. So see first switch name HOST SW1. Switch name is SW1. So switch name is configured. Then अपने पास host and switch 1. So INT, which port is connected is F0/2. You have seen this F0/2 port is connected. So we have to code for F0/2 INT F0/2. So switch mode as switch port INT F02 SW switch port mode access switch port mode access switch port access Vlan 10. This is the getting Vlan 10. Finalize Vlan 10 name is department name. You can choose your choice name. Name is admin EXIT. Again INT department. This is connected F0/3 port. So अपने पास finalize we have to select the name of F0/3 port. This is the switch port. This is the mode. This is the access. This is the switch port. This is the switch port. This is the access. This is the VLAN 20. This is the VLAN 20. This is the creating VLAN 20. So finalize VLAN and then VLAN 20. Name is HR. So exit. So finally we have to provide the IP address for every switch port, switch of the port, because the main PC is sending the data. This is the MAC address is entering the MAC table. This is the center address for memory table. Then it's send all ports multi-collision because switch is a multi-collision devices. To finalize it replies because IP have used at every point. So we have to use of IP INT VLAN 10 INT configured. This is the exit INT VLAN 10. So IP address is 192.168.1.1.55.55.0. No SHU. Here we are using 1.1 gateway. Here we are using 1.2 because this is the connection to be using for internal. This is the connection to be using for a particular department, not for access. So this is the normal access commands. Then exit INT VLAN 20. This is the IP at 192.168.2.1 to 55.0. No SHU. Exit. So we can use also SPT command using BTP mode is server. BTP domain is also BTP domain is. You can choose your names. Any name you can keep it. This is the name is KIT. So this is we have to exit. So close. Analyze for goes for second switches CLI commands. Then enable CUNFT. Then write for host name is SW2. So no HOS SW1 because SW1 is already used, so SW2 is using. Host name is SW4. So INT. So only we have to use VLAN 10 name is admin, because same department is here. Department is different, so there is no access, because this is the process, but this is the private VLAN process. If you are accessing different department, same department you are accessing, then you are using inter VLAN process. So name is admin, so VLAN 20 name is HR adject, so INT port is INT port is this is the F01, this is the F0Y2, F0Y1. IP add, there is no IP add because IP here, this is the line mode, so it is already taking. Switch port mode, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 10 show switch port, show अपने पास exit, so again INT F0Y2 switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 20, this is the exit. Finally we have to use one commands for switch one, because of the this is the trunk line, this is the port is trunk line port, so we have to use the trunk line commands is used also, because without trunk line we cannot access two switches internally. So UNFT configure INT F0Y1 SW and switch port mode trunk switch port trunk all VLAN all switch port trunk allowed VLAN all. So this is the coding is completed. Finally we have to write the static IP address is the applicant PCs and devices. This is the desktop, this is the IP address 192.168.1.2 192.168.1.254. 254 is the gateway of full devices, so we have to understand about that. 254, so first 154, this is the desktop, second to 2.2 IP address is using here. This is the IP address we are using. This is the 192.168.2b. that BTB mode is client mode is not using here, so exit. BTB mode client CLIENT client, BTP domain H server, BTP domain H KND also, so exit. First we have to access the 1.1.2 and 1.1 department. So network is accesses. This is the access ping 192.168.1.2. You can see the TTL is progress and the e-commerce is progress. This is 100% is successful. 100% successful. Loss is 0. Also we can use of this ping AMD ping 192.168.2.254. So progress is successful. Also we have to be checking here exit suram. So all commands Vlan 20 Vlan 1. Here we are seeing that there is no IP address is here. No IP address is here, but this is the client home. This is the name. This is INT port. This is the INT F0Y port. This is the INT F0Y port. So finalize to using this thing 192.168.1.254. It is using, so we have to check the regions of the thread because one connection is there because of this is the trunk line. This is using the trunk line, so we are using here. This is the F0Y port. This is the cross line. This is the we have cancelled that. We have cancelled. Yes. Control Z. We have to cancel that. We have to connect data on that port is that port F0Y3 port enable CUNT. So INT F0Y port is not line loud. So SW INT support mode trunk support trunk allow Vlan or that's all for INT F0Y3 INT support mode access. There is no access command. This is trunk support mode support trunk all Vlan all trunk. So finalize we have to exit and again we have to check it. Then 192.168.1.254. So thing is here because we cannot last time we have not using our trunk line, so finally we can also 192.168.1.254. twinkle line. We can use our accessors all that. So this program is ended. Finally we have to say that you have to subscribe the channel and many programs easily and likes my programs and likes my channels. So again I have repeated next program of tech line. Okay, thank you.